So, for this exercise, we're gonna talk about, or we're gonna do security architecture models. So, step number 1, connect to ACI WIN 11. Okay, in the taskbar, select Hyper-V Manager. Okay, in the Actions pane, select New. And then Virtual Machine. In the new Virtual Machine wizard, click Next. And then in the name field, into the name field, name Ubuntu 22.04.3 and then click Next. Select the radio next to generation 2 and then click Next. And for set in the startup memory field, type 2048. Click Next. And then from the connection drop-down menu, select default switch. And then click Next. Okay. Type in the size field, type 25. Click Next. Okay. Next to the install an operating system from a bootable image file. And then select Browse. Double click the documents. And then double click Module 7 folder. And then select Ubuntu 22.04.3 desktop-am AMD64 file, and then click Open. And then click Next. Select Finish. Okay, right click this Ubuntu and then select Settings. Select Security. And then select Enabled Secure boot rather. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so next we are already connected to ACI WIN 11. Okay, the Hyper-V Manager, right click on the Ubuntu here and then select Connect. And then click Start. Okay, click natin yung maximize para malaki siya. Wait lang. Ubuntu, why is this? Bakit ganito? Okay. Restart. Okay, no operating system was loaded. X muna natin siya. Wait lang. Kasi hindi siya Alright. So, sabihin ulit natin connect ulit tayo. Why? No operating. Again. Maybe I have to restart. Okay, I'm gonna explain na lang. Because it's not working. Ayun, in the Ubuntu 22.04.3 on ACI WIN 11 PM, we press enter and then install Ubuntu. So in the install, there's a welcome page. I-click yung install Ubuntu. And then in the keyboard layout page, leave the default settings and click continue. In the updates and other software page, leave the normal installation option. Untick the download updates while installing Ubuntu option and then click continue. In the installation type page, click install now. In the right, the changes to disk pop-up window, click continue. In the where are you page, leave the default selection and click continue. In the who are you page, populate the following fields. Okay, sa your name, type ACI admin. Sa password, enter this. And then also sa confirm your password. Select the login automatically option and click continue. The Ubuntu installation process begins. For exercise number 2, so we have to connect with ACI Kali. Okay. So in the desktop toolbar, select Terminal Emulator. And then type sudo docker full hello world. Enter. And then type natin yung password. Ito, it's not working din yung password. Parang ilang beses ko na itong kinry para ayaw mag-work. So, yun. Ita-type yung password. And then, ita-type tong sudo docker images. Press enter. And then, type sudo docker run hello world. Enter. And then, type sudo docker run -8 ubuntu bash. Enter. Type womi. And then, enter. Type ls, enter, type exit, enter, type sudo docker images, enter, type sudo docker ts, enter, Type docker pull CentOS 8 colon 8, enter. Type sudo docker images, enter. Type sudo docker run -d -name my CentOS space -it 5D0D83DS9764, enter. Type sudo docker ps, enter. Type sudo docker exec space -it my space my CentOS space bash, enter. Type womi, enter. Type ls, enter. Type exit, enter. Type sudo docker ps, enter. Type sudo docker stop my CentOS, enter. Okay, yeah. And then the docker stop command stops a running container, gracefully terminating it. And then you have to leave the terminal emulator window open. Okay, dito ulit tayo sa ACI Kali. Punta ulit tayo sa terminal emulator. Okay, let's type sudo docker volume create portainer underscore data. Enter. At magta-type ulit tayo ng password pero yung password nga is not working. Okay, so after yon ita-type ito. And then after, type sudo docker ps, enter. Type sudo docker ps -a. Type Firefox HTTPS like localhost 9443. Type, and then yeah. So this command starts Firefox and connects to the Portainer application on port 9443. Okay, in Firefox. Punta tayo sa Firefox. Okay. Select natin yung advanced. Pero hindi siya nagpa-pop up. Wala siya. Try natin sa kabila. Wala rin. So, feeling ko, ayun, kailangan maano mo na siya. Okay, so yeah.